Welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi Sharma, and in this video I am going to discuss with you all how to write application to principal for issuing TC, that is transfer certificate. Most often I have seen people struggling through writing simple letters whereas it is required in every field wherever you are working, whether you are working in corporate field or in education field, or just if you are a student also. There are many occasions where you have to write down the application. I myself have personally witnessed many people are very hesitant while writing their applications or the normal letters also. So with this series I am going to discuss various type of applications, whether it is for official purpose or for your school purpose or college purpose. So starting with it, this is our very first letter, and let me start by telling you how you have to write down the format. First of all, whichever address I am writing here, these are fictional, okay? These are fictional, there is nothing related to my personal life. So the first one is Adarsh Nagar, Jaipur. This is the address of centers. Supposedly I am writing this letter on for the behalf of my nephew or niece. So what will I write? I will write their address. So this is going to be the address, Adarsh Nagar, Jaipur. Then leave a line, then write down the date. Today is August 23rd. 2021, so I am writing the date here. Then again leave a line, and then we have to write down the whoever is the concerned authority. So here I am writing the application to principal, so I will write the principal. And please keep in mind, you don't have to put comma anywhere. We don't put commas anywhere, right? So the principal. Then in next line you have to write down Happy Public School. This is a fictional name I have given to a school, okay? And then there is the location, like it is in Jaipur, so I have written Jaipur. Then leave a line, here is the line. Then you have to write down the subject. So subject is very important in formal letters, right? You cannot skip this point. This gives the idea, because many times whoever is reading the letter doesn't have so much time, so the subject will give them a fair idea that what it is about, right? So subject, application for issuing of TC. You can write the full form of TC also, but because as I lack the space here, I have written TC in capital. After that, leave a line. Then you have to write down the salutation. The salutation could be, if the principal is sir, then you will write sir, or if she is female, then of course you can write down the ma'am, or you can skip respected all through. And this is the format. Now I am going to discuss with you how to write the body of the letter. Now let's see the body of the letter, like the content of this letter. After writing respected sir, like after writing the salutation, you have to start with due respect, I want to state that I am a student of class 7th in your school. Suppose your ward is in 7th class. So how you gonna open the letter? You will, in every matter, you will write your application with utmost respect, right? So you will inculcate this first line, like with due respect, I want to state that I am a student of class 7th in your school. Then you have to state your reason, that why do you want the transfer certificate. So here the reason is, my father is in army and has been transferred to Dehradun, so we have to leave by 30th of this month. So in this line you are mentioning that your father is an army officer or army person, and he has been transferred to Dehradun. So it's a very common knowledge that whoever is in the defense sector, they have to transfer from time to time. And then you have to mention your last date, like until when you are going to transfer. So here you have mentioned the date, that it is 30th of this month. And the letter was written in August, right? It was 23rd August, so you have to keep in mind that which date you are mentioning. Then it is 30th of August. After that, leave a line and start your next paragraph. In this paragraph, you have to make the request. As application is actually a request, you have to politely, your tone should be polite enough to appeal the principal. So you will say, I shall be grateful if you could issue me a transfer certificate by tomorrow. So here you are requesting that you want a transfer certificate by tomorrow. By tomorrow मतलब कल तक मुझे चाहिए. After that, leave a line and say and write thanking you. Then leave a line. Then you will end this closure. This is your closure, like yours obediently. No apostrophe here. Keep in mind. Right, and your Y should be capital, then yours obediently. After that, after that you have to write your name, or you can sign it. Then you have to mention your class. If there are section in your class, then you can write like class 7 section A. I hope that you will find this video useful to you, and it will be beneficial to you. If you have any doubt anywhere, please leave in the comment box. Thanks for watching.